best way to engage with people is to reward them.
Yes.
So the first station is the candy stop station,
Okay.
where children are allowed to play with the train. They can stop the train, they can move the signal, and they are allowed to pick up the candies from the wagon.
Okay.
So this is the first form of engagement as soon as you enter Neverenuf.
So we have called it as a candy stop.
Station. It is a candy station, yes.
Candy station.
And the candies are manufactured in a factory which is called the Big Nut Candy.
Okay.
Right across.
What are you doing?
Go reverse.
Okay. What is that?
You want to tell the Amma what is that?
It's an excavator.
Excavator. What does it do? What does an excavator do? Now you can see the excavator in action.
उधर का बोटन इधर है
Oh, देखो ट्रेन चल रही है. वो ट्रेन जा रही है.
वो का वो दूसरी
ये देखो बोट.
Rabbit.
They're rabbits.
Yes, I just feed them.
You fed them. Okay.
Want some yummy food.
You gave them some yummy food. Is it what is this animal?
Hen.
What's it?
Rooster.
No, hen.
Oh, it's eating so nicely.
Listen.
Okay. It is liking it. It's liking it. Does this rooster make?
Cuckoo.
Tell loudly. Look at me.
Cuckoo.
Kukuduku. Okay. Painting an engine.
Yes.
Oh, very nice. You're trying to cut. You're so small. Okay.
That. Relax.
Where have you come from?
Pune.
You come from Pune all the way. What are you doing?
Painting.
Painting. What are you painting?
Can you help me? It's engine.
You're painting an engine.
There is a model.
Are you liking? You're liking this place?
Yes. Pune.
Pune. Okay. What are you doing now?
I am painting.
After the activity, the child is given the model of the engine he has painted. This activity for the children involves making a Christmas tree with Scotch-Brite scrubber. Every child is given a sheet like this with instructions when they are leaving this place as a gift. By following the instructions, a 3D model of a tram is made by the child. There is a nice cafeteria here.